Hey, I'm Dr. LJ Rose from the Natural Wellness Academy, and this is one of your daily wellness recipes. Today is a recipe for mind, and this is about motivation for creating positive, life-affirming habits. And it's not easy to stay on track with good habits. And one of the best ways that has worked for me is to carrotize myself. And let me explain what that means. So, when I need to exercise consistently, the best way I can get myself to do that is by recording on the DVR my favorite programs that I really want to know what's going on, that I'm really excited about seeing, but I make it completely non-negotiable that I will not allow myself to watch that program that I've recorded without doing a workout. So I set up a workout, I watch the show, I feel great afterwards. You can also use this tip for other things. Sometimes I have a show that I put on and I fold laundry, or I clean out drawers, or I make the bed. So that's what you need to do. Carrotize yourself. Come up with something that you really love or want and put it out there as a carrot. Once I do this, then I will allow myself that. Make it non-negotiable. That's what's really important. And let us know, how do you keep yourself motivated? Looking forward to your comments on this.